Alright, continuing on with this problem, I think I actually am going to try and finish the right side before starting the left. I was just kind of thinking through it a little bit, and you definitely can go back and forth, and I may end up changing my mind, but let's see how it goes. So the next thing I want to do is from these parts, remember we said that the length here was 2.1, and we also said it's going to be at straight into this, and this is at 45 degrees. So I would argue that we want to have a line that comes out at 45 degrees from these, and so let's see if I can draw this. So we want it to be 2.1 tab. Now again, this is going to be measured from, it's measuring from the positive x-axis, so 90 plus 45 is 135. And so as you can see, that's a nice smooth line where it becomes straight, but it's a smooth transition. I'm going to do that exact same thing over here. So 2.1 tab, again it's being measured from the positive x-axis, so 135. And now I'm going to connect them, but I'm going to want to go a little bit further too, so I'll start from here, and this is going to be symmetric to this, and so this had a diameter of 19. Yeah, 19. So each one should be going 9.5 from the center. So what would that be? That would be an additional 3.5. Let's see. We can draw this. It's going to do a snap. This way should be at, yeah, this should be at 45 degrees, so 3.5 tab 45. And so a lot of these angles are kind of frustrating to get. You also could do a mirror if you could find the exact center line, but I'm using the exact angles because recall that this is 45 degrees here, and so if I want this to go up, it's going to be going up at 45 degrees from the vertical, and so they're measuring it from the positive x, so 45 plus plus 90 should be 135 degrees, so it's going to be 1.3 because they're showing us it's 1.3 over here, so 1.3 at 135, and so see how that's a nice straight edge over there, and so that was just because I was doing a little bit of the math on it, and so this is going to be 19 at it should be 135 degrees, and we can kind of see, like, look at how straight it looks, and it's 136 right now, so 19 and 135, so that's good. Then we're going to go by 1.3, and we're going to want to have it at 45, so 1.3 at 45 degrees, and then just right back here. All right, good. We got all that. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is we kind of want to understand, so where are these hidden lines, for starters? Both of them. So the hidden line is showing us where the inside of the pipe is, and so the inside of the pipe is around this circular hole, and so the diameter is 10, and so the exterior is 12, so that means there's 1 inch on each side, so the hidden line should be offset from this line by 1 inch, right? And so let's do that. So let's go on to a hidden line, and we're going to draw. Actually, we're not going to draw a line. We're going to use the offset command. So let's do that. Offset, and it's going to ask the distance. We're going to set it to a distance of 1. And let's do that over here. We're going to move our mouse to the outside, so that way we know it's on that side, and we click down. And so that, let's see, was okay. All right. So it apparently it stays the same layer. All right. Hold on just a second.